The Apple's VR headset is going to be announced on June 5th, and here is a quick roundup of what to expect. It is going to be a standalone device as you expect. It is going to have 4K per eye. These things have about 2K per eye, so that's a significant improvement.
4K OLED display per eye.
It is going to have a high quality pass-through, which is going to allow for mixed reality. It is going to have a little dial on the side, which is going to allow you to change from mixed reality to virtual reality. It is going to have roughly 120 degrees field of view. This thing has 106. This thing has about 90 degrees field of view, so again much wider. It is rumored to have a wired external battery pack, which I think would be very interesting. It's supposed to be lighter than Quest 2. Some people say it might have a reverse pass-through. Now what it is a screen, a display on the front of the headset that shows your face, so it really looks like you're wearing goggles on your face and people can see your face through the glasses.
People will be able to see your face.
It's supposed to have a really powerful processor, the M2 processor that Apple puts in its laptops.
M2 chip, faster than the speed of light.
It will have eye tracking, face tracking, hand tracking.
Unlock the device by scanning your iris.
You might be able to unlock your device just with your iris. You might be able to use the combination of your eyes and your hands to control everything, and with that, there might be no additional controller. Everything will be done with your hands and your eyes.
No controllers, just use the tracking of your hands and eyes. Ooh. But I also like to have something to hold on when I'm designing, when I'm doing something.
It's supposed to have a support for millions of iPad apps, which is pretty cool. Now all of this is going to come at the price of about $3,000, which is quite a lot.
Ouch.
Ouch is right. Now Apple is rumored to have a new device, another device, a much more affordable device ready for us in 2025. But for now, get ready to spend $3,000. They want to sell about 1 million of these in the first year. What do you think? Are you going to buy one? Do you think they will succeed?
Can they do it?
Don't forget to follow for more videos like this.